Dr. Arun Sharma is the founder director of the International Institute of Mahayoga and Natural Hygiene, USA. He has over 40 years of teaching and counseling experience in nature cure. His grandfather, Acharya Lakshmana Sharma, is renowned as the father of nature cure in India.
We don't need oil at all. All the oil that we take is, if it is for the satisfaction of the mind, we should accommodate some use of oil occasionally. Problem is, occasions become too many every day. Occasionally means rarely, once in a week or once in a month. It's okay to use oil. Our body can deal with it. Not that our body needs it. Even if we don't need it, we can take it and manage it. Many people are eating all kinds of junk food and still they're managing their health. We can also do it. It all depends upon if your mind wants it. Body doesn't want it. Occasionally you can take it because your mind wants it. It is not reasonable to suppress your mind. Mind wants to eat different things. Occasionally you want to take some unhealthy food because the mind demands it. If most of the time you are taking health foods, occasional eating of unhealthy food is also managed by the body efficiently.